would you visualize just how small a nanometer really is? Well, first, let's see how many people we can fit in this little car. Looks like about 8. Or, what if we could shrink people down so they were just about 8 inches tall? Then we'd be able to fit about 3,000 people inside of this car. But get this, if we could shrink people down so they were just 1 nanometer big, 1/1000th of a meter, we could fit every single person on the face of the earth, all 6.5 billion men, women, and children inside this car. And not only that, we could fit them inside this car. And not only that, all the world's 6.5 billion nano-sized people could actually fit inside a car 10,000 times smaller than this little model.
Okay, try it this way. Think about the smallest thing you can see with your naked eye. Take, for example, a grain of salt, like this one. You see it right there, off the end of Lincoln's nose? Now, salt, like everything else, is made out of molecules. They look like this. Now, an interesting question to ask is, if you could shrink yourself down until the molecules were big enough to see, how big would an individual grain of salt seem? Brian is outside with the answer.
Now, if I were to shrink down to the size where I could actually see a molecule of salt, our original salt crystal would be as big as the entire Museum of Science.
Let me say that another way. The number of salt molecules there are in 1 grain of salt is equal to the number of grains of salt it would take to fill the whole museum.
Zoom a little zoom in the rocket ship. Off we go on a trip, heading for the moon at a rocket clip. We're gonna zoom, zoom, rocket. Zoom a little zoom, now we're almost free from the Earth's gravity. Zoom into the moon at terrific speed, because there is no friction. Soon we'll see if...
Geez, this is going to take forever.
Ha, 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 ha. Zoom, we're here at the moon. Let's see what the moon is like.
A nanometer is 1/1000th of a meter. That's like comparing the size of the Earth to a marble.